Right, so I'm Margi Lennartsson. I work at Coventry University at the Centre for Agroecology, Water and Resilience, and I've done so for about, I don't know, 5-6 years. And previously I worked for Garden Organic for over 25 years. So I've been leading the Members Experiments programme that the Garden Organic has run for the last 60 years. I've been leading it in the latter 30 years, I suppose, of that. And also undertook a review of the whole citizen science or the Members Experiments programme quite recently, sort of basically looking at 60 years of Members Experiments.
What do you hope to gain from today?
I'm really excited about this project and what we are sort of starting off today. So I see very much this as the opportunity to establish what we're going to call a citizen science action group, where we could sort of transform what is sort of Garden Organic's Members Experiments programme. Is one of the longest standard citizen science programme in horticulture, which has really been shown to have massive sort of impact on organic horticultural practice, what happens in the gardens and policy around it. And now we have an opportunity to transform that to what would be sort of a totally sort of co-created citizen science programme. So it would be a gardeners-led programme. So the gardeners would be involved, or the citizens would be involved in all aspects of the approach, particularly sort of taking a lead, identifying what research topics to work on, consulting with their local communities and engaging their local communities in the activities. So as a result, we should hopefully get more gardeners participating in the experiments. We would be working on really sort of relevant gardening topics, those problems that needs to be resolved, making it locally relevant. And by working closely with more gardeners all over the country, there's also a much greater opportunity to sort of really disseminate the information to change gardening practice. So I think we have a really good opportunity to do that with this group of very keen members to take a lead on the programme as a whole.